Red's Fairy Tale Adventures.
Once upon a time, there was a sweet girl who always wore a red hood. Mother.
Everyone calls you Little Red Riding Hood.
She lived happily with her mother near a deep forest. Mother.
Grandmother is ill. Take this basket of food to her.
Red.
Yes, Mama. I'll go carefully.
Mother.
Remember, stay on the path and don't talk to strangers.
Red.
I promise, Mama.
Red skipped along, birds singing, flowers blooming around her. Red.
What pretty flowers. Grandmother will love them.
Suddenly, a sly wolf appeared. Wolf.
Where are you going, little one?
Red.
To Grandmother's house beyond the woods.
Wolf. Grins.
How kind. Perhaps you should pick more flowers.
The wolf hurried away, running straight to Grandmother's cottage. Grandmother.
Who is there?
Wolf. Deep voice.
It's me, Little Red Riding Hood.
The wolf leapt inside and swallowed Grandmother whole. Wolf.
Now I'll dress in her nightgown and wait for the girl.
Red arrived, knocking softly. Red.
Grandmother, it's me.
Wolf. Disguised voice.
Come in, dear.
Red. Steps closer.
Grandmother, what big eyes you have.
Wolf.
All the better to see you with.
Red.
Grandmother, what big ears you have.
Wolf.
All the better to hear you with.
Red.
Grandmother, what big teeth you have.
Wolf.
All the better to eat you with.
The wolf sprang forward. Red screamed in fear. A kind woodcutter nearby heard the cry. Woodcutter.
Hold on, I'm coming.
He rushed in, swinging his axe to scare the wolf away. Wolf growls.
You will not stop me.
Woodcutter.
We'll see about that.
With courage, he struck the wolf, who fell down and vanished into the forest. From the wolf's belly, Grandmother came out alive. Grandmother.
Oh, thank heavens.
Red.
Grandmother, I was so afraid.
Grandmother.
Bravery saved us, my child.
Woodcutter.
The forest is safe again, but remember, beware of wolves.
Red hugged her grandmother tightly, never wanting to let go. Red.
I learned my lesson. I'll never stray from the path again.
Grandmother.
And I will always keep my door locked.
They all sat together, enjoying the food from Red's basket. Birds chirp happily as the family laughed with joy. Red Riding Hood grew wiser, always listening to her mother's words. And so, she lived happily, knowing that courage and wisdom light the way through the darkest woods.
Wow, that was magical, wasn't it? Thanks for joining the adventure. Don't forget to smile, dream big, and believe in yourself. See you in the next story. It's going to be even more exciting. Bye-bye, little stars.